Today we are adding to our ball changes. We need to be able to practice both flat and with a releve, so we're up on the balls of our feet. You want to find a groove. You can break this down nice and slow and even, or you can put the accent on the ball change. I increase or decrease difficulty depending on the level of my dancers. For a step ball change, you are going step, ball, change. It only has 3 sounds. For a flap, now you're adding a sound. So now you have full lap, ball, change. Oftentimes, if you tell yourself those words, it'll help you keep track of the movement and get a rhythm going. Last but not least, then you have your shuffle step ball change. So now you have shuffle step ball change. You're making 5 sounds. This series of steps will set us up for a whole bunch of other moves as we progress throughout these next few weeks. This becomes the foundation of how we can travel across the floor. We can turn with this. This can also lead us into our waltz clogs and a variety of other steps that we will need. I will see you tomorrow as we talk a bit more about our shuffle steps. I will see you then.